Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be cleaning the kids' playroom. They're not home right now, so I figured it will be the perfect time to go through their toys and declutter, take out anything that's broken. It was Christmas not too long ago and they got a ton of toys, so I think we can afford to lose a few. So like I said, they're not home, so this will be an amazing time to really go through everything without having any interruptions. So I'm gonna show you how bad it is, and then I'm gonna get started. I already feel so defeated. I don't know what it is with the kids' playroom, but it just gives me so much anxiety when it's messy. So I wanna clean it. I wanna organize it, and they love it when they come home and it's all nice and clean. So hopefully they're gonna be excited to see it when they get back.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
Okay, so I'm going through picking up all these toys, and I got some serious mom guilt. I can't go through these toys and get rid of stuff behind my boys' backs. I know, I feel terrible. I feel like they should be here to help me pick out the ones that they really don't like, because I don't want to get rid of something that they honestly love to play with, and then they'll ask me for it later on and I'm not going to find it and I'm going to have to lie, and I don't want to do that. I do not want to do that. So I think I'm just going to throw out the broken ones, but I'm not going to get rid of anything for them. I can't do any donation stuff right now without my boys being here, so they can tell me for themselves what they like and what they don't like and what they want to donate. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
I just finished. It looks so much better, so more organized. So I ended up moving the this game table thing. I don't know what it's called. I moved it here. The kids don't use that. And then I ended up moving their little house on this side. I was trying to give them as much mat space as I could so that they have somewhere to play. So I put the house here, and then I put the trampoline there, and then their writing toys are all under there. They know how to get all that. So I am all done. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching me go crazy with these toys. Like I said, I didn't really take out any toys. I just took out the ones that were broken and any garbage that was in here, and I just threw all of it out, and I vacuumed and I mopped the place. It looks so good and refreshing. And then I put my bike here and my little leg exercise here. That thing, you guys, hurts. Like once you use it, your legs are like mushy. You can't walk after, but I love it. So I put my bike over there so I could do some cycling while the kids are playing, and everybody's happy. So anyways, like I said, thanks so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.